Good morning. Check out this certified 2019 Hyper Blue Ram. I really like this Ram. I love how the grill is blue. Just think it looks really sharp. This vehicle is certified to 100,000 miles, which means it had to pass a 125-point inspection, you guys. Just a great truck. Does have your drop-in bed liner. You can see your hooks there. You need to tie something down. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but she just really sparkles in the sun. It's got your dual exhaust, tow package. Does have remote start. Dark gray cloth interior. Your center console area. Your larger touch screen. Spacious in the back seat. We'll hop on in and start it up. It's only got 20,232 miles, guys. This was a one-owner off-lease. You got your heated seats, your heated wheel. It's kind of chilly this morning. We'll go ahead and crank those on. Go ahead and accept that. And we'll put this in reverse so you can see the backup camera. It's your bighorn trim level. Please let me know if you have any questions I can answer for you. You can reach me at 563-202-8845. That is Alisha at Brad Deary. 563-202-8845. Thank you.